Wildfires are still raging in Los Angeles, California, with 5 fatalities confirmed. More than 1,000 structures have been damaged, forcing over 100,000 residents to evacuate. At least 6 separate wildfires are currently ongoing across Los Angeles County. In an interview with The Big Story, Emmanuel Munda, a Filipino residing in California, shared that while the community is filled with fear and sorrow, the alert system in place is helping keep residents informed and safe.
It's definitely been tough. You know, we could be angry, we could be sad, we could be terrified. Right now, I think most of our mentality is just coping with the loss from yesterday. A lot of my friends lost their homes. Praying that doesn't happen to us. What's great about LA is we do have a very strong infrastructure in alerting and alarming. We have a reverse 911 that would buzz and really make loud noises on our phones to tell us to get out or to tell us, well, you know, what stage we're in.
Yes, talagang tinamaan dito yung mga Palisades area, Altadena, those areas. Talagang all the conditions possible to make this a very difficult calamity to control happened. Like wind speeds of above 94 to 100 kilometers per hour. Tapos at the same time, California is known for its not necessarily too hot, not necessarily too cold, pero dry conditions sa sahig niya.
So, contributed pa talaga yung
So, whatever the source is, whatever they find out later on, that ignited it. Kasi nakita there were some residents who posted na nakita yung fire nag-start na hindi pa ganun kalaki. There was a guy na sa backyard lang yan nangyari yung starting fire. Tapos ang bilis ng kalat because the wind just kept on pushing it.
Oo. We've seen a lot of din yung mga properties ng mga kilalang Hollywood stars talagang leveled. Yun yung naging term nila na talagang down to the ground yung kanilang mga pinaghirapan ng mga mansions dyan. And of course, yung mga animals as well were deeply affected by those fire. Kaya kawawa din.
Kaya nga after this, I've heard the statements of several lawmakers from both sides, no? From both Republican and Democrats. They agreed naman that since alam nila California is very prone to these conditions, maybe moving forward, they have a new protocol in place para maiwasan. Like, there was a question from a lawmaker, how come we cannot implement what other countries are doing with the same conditions as California? Ibang countries kasi, like Australia is victim to that. But they have a way of controlling it. They don't leave their... kunyari, ilang araw na daw walang ulan, ginagawa ng Australia, they have a way of irrigating several areas ng forest nila para maging dam. If magkaroon man lang ng fire, it's a little bit easier to control.
Hindi mabilis yung pagkala.
So bakit daw ang area nitong surrounding this Palisades, Altadena area, bakit napaka-dry daw? You'll see dry leaves, dry everything. Not a sign of dampness. So therefore, you're creating a perfect, what they call the perfect condition for a bad wildfire. And it's not only surrounding areas yung nasira. You see fast food chains na sunog, physical structures burning
even
to the ground.
church.
And yung wind daw, the wind was very hot. Nakikita mo yung wind,
really contributed dun sa spread ng
parang apocalyptic na yung wind. Pag umaano yung wind, dala niya yung mga ember, dala niya yung red
Yes.
So,
yung mga parang upos.
So parang
tapos,
pelikula.
pupunta yun sa kabila na walang apoy, din mag-i-ignite ulit. Yun na nangyari. At ang bilis talaga ng mga pangyayari. We have yung dating dating artista dito, Claudio Coronel, na siya yung nagdala mismo kasi caregiver siya. Siya nagdala mismo nung kanyang patient out of the house kasi nga dahil ang tawag dito, kumakalat na yung fire. So yung iba mga na-interview doon, even just daw yung alagang hayop lang nila, nadala nila, the rest talagang naiwan na.
Si Harrison Ford, may video na lumabas na he was inside a police cruiser, he had to be evacuated na parang yung police na mismo kailangan
kunin
siya. Tapos, when they were taking a video of him, nakaupo siya sa front seat ng police vehicle. Nakabukas kasi yung door, parang may nakatulala siya tapos may inaano siyang bote na pinaglalaroan na parang hindi alam.
Nagdidelirio na siya.
Parang nagdidelirio na. Siyempre,
shock na siya
he's lived there all his life. You have Tom Hanks also. You have...
these are big properties, mansion na...
Si Jamie Lee Curtis.
Milyones yung pinag-uusapan mo, tas 'di ba in a second wala na.
And then yung mga these are millionaires, but you also have the people who are in regular folk na sinabi niya, there was this guy who was interviewed, dito ako naawa, he lost his entire family sa COVID-19 pandemic, and now his house was about, sabi niya, it's about 30 minutes from being burned down.
Wow.
Sabi niya, so where are you going if you're going to leave? Actually, since all my family is dead, I don't know where to go. Maybe stay in the car with my cats. Sabi niya.
So, meron ako nakitang post ni Jokoy. Si Jokoy,
Jokoy is from he's from that area.
Sinasabi niya, parang nag-advertise siya sa social media niya, yung parang pinapapunta niya yung ibang mga affected na walang mapupuntahan. Meron silang Airbnb. No, meron siyang property na pwede niyang papuntahin din yung ibang mga affected na residents.
Yeah.